Okay, the final two for exec are Becky Norman and Stacy Swartz.
Becky for executive, take one. We're here in the halls of Mountain Crest today to see what the people here really think about Becky for executive. Excuse me, ma'am, sister. What do you think about Becky for executive? What are your feelings?
Earth angel, the one I adore.
What have you heard about Becky for executive?
My mama told me you better vote for Becky.
Hey, excuse me. How does Becky affect you guys?
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. She shakes my nerves and she rattles my brain. She really drives administration insane. No. She is the best. I want the best. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire.
All right. What do you think about Becky for executive, you guys?
She'll do a great job.
Cut. We don't want to hear this again. Let's see. Let's see if we can find some more people. Becky for executive, take two. Excuse me. What do you think about Becky? Yeah, it's on. Seriously. What would it be if Becky didn't make executive? What would it be? All right, there you have it. That covers what we have today here at Mountain Crest. We know what the people think about Becky. Back to you, Scotty.
Music. So this won't happen again. We want someone who has a lot of creativity, someone who is helpful, has school spirit with responsibility, have pride, someone who will bring their school together in unity, someone who's energetic, someone with lots of leadership. I know. How?
We need a leader to lead us through. Only the very best will do. Someone full of energy that will strive with unity. We want someone who is the best, one that stands out above the rest. We pick the best one, as you know, are we going to be here putting on this here show. We may look very funny in these here tights, and if you laugh, you'll be picking a fight. Now we'll go on. Now it's clear. Give us your trust and have no fear. We are rough, rowdy, and mean, but we're having fun as you've seen. Do what we'll say or we'll raise heck. So just buzz the keep
as the 8 candidates for executive, now we're going to go to historian. Deborah Burnett will announce the 2 finalists for that.
Okay, the first one is Shala Franson, and the second one is Lance Zollinger.
I need a mic. Oh, Kaylani, isn't this great? Yeah, I need one, huh?
Oh, how's your summer vacation been going, Bert?
Pretty good. How have you been doing?
I've been fine.
Well, that's good.
Oh, I'm excited for next year, though.
Yeah?
I bet the band goes to nationals again, don't you bet?
I don't know about that, but I'll bet football takes state this year.
Yeah, we have a pretty awesome football team. I think they deserve it this time.
Yeah, I think basketball should do pretty good too. You know, they got Brent Thatcher and Ryan back.
And they haven't graduated that school.
Yeah, that is, huh?
Well, Bert, what do you...
Oh yeah, volleyball. Volleyball should do good too.
What do you think about historian? Who's going to be historian next year?
Well, you know how I forget things a lot. I think I wrote it down here, so,
Bert, you sure have it, don't you?
No, I forgot it, Kaylani.
Bert, what are we supposed to do?
I don't know.
What are we to vote for? Sing it! What are we going to do?
That's easy, girl.
Remember, don't leave this school without voting for Shala.
Vote Shala for historian.